Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering everything down. This prevents pops and protects speakers. Once done, inspect connectors on the Sakura amplifier and the equalizer so you match RCA to RCA or TRS to TRS. Make sure gain and master volume are at minimum to avoid sudden loud output when you power up. Prepare labeled patch cables and a multimeter to verify continuity. This speeds troubleshooting and ensures signal integrity before you start making live connections. You now wire the signal chain. Connect your source output into the equalizer input because the EQ needs to process the signal before the amplifier. Once done, link the equalizer output to the Sakura amplifier input using balanced TRS or XLR when possible. Balanced reduces noise. Make sure cable polarity is consistent, tip to hot, sleeve to ground, and keep runs short. Set all EQ bands to flat and document knob positions so you can compare adjustments later and avoid accidental extreme boosts that could clip the amp. You power devices in sequence. Processors and equalizer first, then the Sakura amplifier, which prevents thumps. Once live, play test tones or pink noise at low level and use a meter or headphones to monitor output. Make small adjustments to input trim and master gain to set optimal headroom. If things go wrong, hum, no sound, or distorted output, check cable continuity with the multimeter, confirm proper ground connections, and verify the amp's input selector and channel routing. This single troubleshooting tip solves most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.